Here are some of my favorite products right now, this very minute. It's the holiday season. This isn't necessarily a holiday top 5, but I will say that I just got a ton of gifts from Philosophy to give out to clients, friends. I love Philosophy so much. I'm an OG Philosophy fan, and they just have so many cute things. Actually, hand me some of the other things. We're doing this live. Holiday. Look, you can hang these on your trees. Amazing Grace, my favorite fragrance. OG favorite fragrance, you guys. Shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer. This is Amazing Grace. This is the Ballet Rose set. Isn't this pretty? Snow Angel. There's a lot you can do with gifts and Philosophy. Number 2, because we're in the mood, the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask by Peter Thomas Roth, you guys. It resurfaces your skin like no one's business, okay? So if you're into pumpkins, I know October is over, but we're still in the holiday season. I didn't really know about enzymes, and then I went to this facialist that told me about enzymes, and then ever since then I realized that enzymes are a magical word. So, just saying. Number 3, I'm in the holiday spirit. I just did a tutorial with this, see this like glitter? Urban Decay makes it super easy. Look at this. It's just like, throw it on there. It looks so pretty. Everybody goes nuts over it, and it's super holiday. They come in many colors. This is AC/DC, which is like a purpley purple situation. I've said it once and I've said it again. The Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer is your best bet for any sort of primer on your eyes. I'm obsessed with it. I couldn't live without it. My clients wear it all the time. It is part of my everyday go-to. I love you, Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. All right, I said it once and I said it again. That's the theme. These are brand new. I just got them off of Reed Clark. The Troy Surratt eyelash curlers. I love, love, love them. And you know what? I'm going to just throw it in there because we're talking about the eyelash curler. This, I also bought this on Reed Clark. It's a cosmetic sharpener. It is so nice. Like, you know, we get the free cosmetic sharpener, so you're like, why should I get another cosmetic sharpener? This catches the shaving. It has a non-slip. It's got German blades. I mean, I've used it before, and then I was like, I need to order one. So there was a Black Friday sale. How pretty is that? Oh, Gorgina. Ta-da. That's Slice. Okay, that's it. That was kind of 6, but you know what? Extra credit because I love you. Comment below, tell a friend, watch this 75 times, and have a wonderful weekend.